Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy was a great novelist and social activist. So in this video, we are talk about their great work and some fact related to Arundhati Roy's life. So let's discuss about some fact and important work. These are some important books written by Arundhati Roy. The Ministry of the Utmost Happiness. This is a fiction and the second novel written by Arundhati Roy. This is written in 2017. The Power Politics. It is a non-fiction written in 2002. And The God of the Small Things. It is a debut novel written by Arundhati Roy, published 1997. And The War Talk, written by Arundhati Roy in 2003. It is also a non-fiction work. Cost of Living. It is written in 1999. What is Arundhati Roy's full name? Options are Susanna Arundhati Roy, Susanna Arundhati Roy, Simone Arundhati Roy, Shabana Arundhati Roy. Correct answer? Option number B, Susanna Arundhati Roy. Next question. When was Arundhati Roy born? Options are 24th November 1961, 24th December 1962, 14th November 1961, 14th December 1962. Correct answer? Option number A, 24th of November 1961. She was born in Shillong. Shillong is in Assam, at present in Meghalaya. Next. Susanna Arundhati Roy, born 24th November 1961. Occupation, writer, essayist and social activist. Alma mater, School of Planning, Architecture in New Delhi. Genre, fiction and non-fiction. Spouse, Gerald G. Guiana, 1977 to 1981. And the Pradeep Krishan at present. Next, Arundhati Roy is best known for her novel. Options are The End of Imagination, Listening to Grasshoppers, The God of Small Things, Walking with Comrades. Correct answer? Option number C, The God of Small Things. Won her the Man Booker Prize for the fiction 1997 and became the best-selling book by the non-expatriate Indian author. The God of Small Things, published 1997, award Booker Prize. In the same year, the main characters Rahel, Esther's female fraternal twins, and Esther, male fraternal twins, Ammu, mother, and baby Kochamma, grand aunt, both twins. The main story about the childhood experiences of the fraternal twins whose lives are destroyed by the love laws that lay down who should be loved and how. Next, Rahel was one of the fraternal twins in God of Small Things. Who was another? Options are George, Rahul, Rahim, Estephan. Correct answer? Option number D, Estephan. Rahul was a boy and Estephan is a girl. Rahel was one of the fraternal twins in God of Small Things. Who was another? Options are George, Rahul, Rahim, Estephan. Correct answer? Option number D, Estephan. Rahel was a girl and Estephan was a boy. Next, who was baby Kochamma? Options are one of the fraternal twins, mother of the fraternal twins, sister of the fraternal twins, great aunt of the fraternal twins. So correct answer, baby Kochamma is a great aunt of the fraternal twins. After how many years the fraternal twins reunited? 24 years, 20 years, 21, 26. Correct answer, option number A, 24 years. They are separated in 1969 when they are just 7 years old and reunited in 1993, approximately 24 years. Next, for which movie's screenplay Roy won an award? Options are Electric Moon, In Which Annie Gives It Those Ones, The Banyan Tree, all of above. Here correct answer, option number B, In Which Annie Gives It Those Ones. She wrote the screenplay and based on her own experience as a student of the architecture. These are some notable awards National Film Award for the Best Screenplay, in which Annie Gives It Those Ones, won in 1989. Booker Prize, The God of Small Things, won 1997, and the Lennon Foundation's Cultural Freedom Award for her work about the civil societies that had adversely affected by the world's most powerful governments and the corporation in 2002, and the Sydney Peace Prize for her social campaign and her advocacy of the non-violence in 2004, the Norman Mailer Prize for distinguished writing in 2011, and the Roy was featured in 2014 list of the Times of the 100 most influential people in the world. Next question. In which year Arundhati Roy won the National Film Award for the Best Screenplay? Options are 1990, 1992, 1988, 1986. So here correct answer option number C, 1989. 1989. She also acted in this movie. In which Annie Gives It Those Ones. Next, which award was won by Arundhati Roy in 2004? Options are Cabrera Peace Prize, Australia Peace Prize, Sydney Peace Prize, India Peace Prize. So here correct answer option number C, Sydney Peace Prize. She won this prize for her contribution towards the human rights and environmental causes. Second novel of Arundhati Roy, Cost of Living, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness, The Power Politics, War is Peace. Correct answer option number B, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness. This is published in 2017 and published after the 20 years of debut novel, The God of Small Things. Next, Ministry of Utmost, published 2017. These are some main characters: Anjum, Mulaqat Ali, Dr. Azad Bhartiya. The main story: the novel weaves together the story of people navigating some of the darkest and most violent episodes of modern Indian history, from the land reform that dispossessed poor farmers to the 2002 Godhra train burning and the Kashmir insurgency. Next, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness is translated in how many languages? Options 5, 15, 50, 25. So here correct answer option number C, total 50 languages. This was translated. Options: in which of Roy's novel she wrote about Godhra train burning? Options are Walking with Comrades, The End of Imagination, The God of Small Things, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness. So correct answer option number D, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness. In this novel, she talked about the Godhra train burning and the Kashmir insurgency. Next, Mulaqat Ali, Anjum and Dr. Azad Bhartiya are the characters from which work of Arundhati Roy? Options: The God of Small Things, End of Imagination, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness, The Cost of Living. So here correct answer option number C, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness. So now we move on to at the end of this session. So like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query then you can write me in a comment box below. That's it for today. See you soon for the next video. Till then, bye.